I wonder where we can go today. A few tracks closed, but I reckon we'll go to Mount Ragged and have a look, eh? What do you reckon? Paddocks are looking nice and green now. Bit of water laying around. We'll drop into the Condon Up Tavern and grab some fuel. Oh, Jesus, that was close. Right, at the Cape Arid National Park entrance. This could be interesting, looks pretty wet. Wonder where that road goes. About 15 k's from Mount Ragged. Oh, that mud's so slippery. Whoa, Jesus, that went straight down there. Holy shit. Wheels full of mud. Rough limestone now. Let's get back on the road. Quick stop at Pine Hill. Off we go. Yeah, it's about 2:30 in the Arvo. Some nice little rocky section still. Not far from the homestead, 20-30 k's away. Pull up there for a quick break. I'll have to head home soon because it's going to be dark when I get home. Whoa! Fuck! That fucking mud! So slippery. Holy shit! Jesus. I don't think anyone's been down here for a while. Got a turn just up here. Bill's paddock. That's down to the right that way. Balladonia that way. This way I'll cut through to the homestead. Not really ideal. Oh, just trying to keep it upright. There we go. Oh, could do without too many of them. So slippery, just clay. So he might not be there today. Well, it's been an epic ride so far. Just pulled up at Heather's kitchen. Might have a quick bite to eat, chuck some fuel in the bike and head off. Alright, so we're 54% through, done 215 k's. There you go, Roger.
How was that ruin running just then?
Yeah, I seen it, yeah. I hit a fucking emu earlier on, went under the front wheel.
Glad you're okay.
Hey?
Glad you're okay.
Yeah, yeah. I was only going slow.
Sorry I'm not home.
I drove past, I seen no car there.
Yeah.
I just went up to the little kitchen, had something to eat, jumped back on. I've been up past Mount Ragged.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Good trip.
I want to get home because it's getting dark.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll let you go.
See you later.
Enjoy.
That's the old mate who lives in the hut back there. Just cruising. The little bike just loves this sort of country. 100 k's an hour, that's fast enough. Just nice. like it says there, I used 11 litres. 11.01. That's pretty accurate. Well, finally made it home. Oh, awesome. So good. Righto, signing off after another epic adventure.